Today we are making ghee, which is a version of clarified butter. Ghee is one of the more simpler and easy to prepare condiments in all of cooking. So let's go. We'll use 4 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 palm leaf, and about 10 curry leaves. We're going to use a strainer and a mason jar at the end. Let's put a pot of butter on a low flame and allow our butter to melt. What we are doing is removing all the milk solids and water from our butter. That's gonna intensely enhance the flavor. So now that our butter is melted, we're gonna add the palm leaf and our curry leaves. So we're gonna let that slowly bubble away and allow the 3 of them to combine and amalgamate. I find that ghee is more versatile than butter because wherever we use butter, we can use ghee for a more buttery taste. And every 5 to 7 minutes or so, we gently push away the bubbly foam on top to check the clarity of butter beneath. We are also going to keep an eye on our leaves to see if they begin charring. It took us 25 minutes on low flame to reach the finishing point. Our butter slowly transformed into a rich and robust ghee. And at room temperature, it will be a touch softer than refrigerated butter. So we get our pot off the stove and allow it to rest for a couple minutes, which allows the solids to settle to the bottom. And then we remove our paan and curry leaves into a bowl. And what we are left with is wonderful, pure and clear butter fat. Now we slowly strain our ghee into the mason jar. Check out these browned milk solids that we leave behind. I promise you, it is gonna have the most buttery flavor and pairs well with many dishes. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. If you want to see me in the next one, subscribe. Bye!